Hey readers, I'm really excited to share with you today that you are going to be reading an example of a memoir. Actually, today and tomorrow, you're going to take a look at two different examples of memoirs. So, our focus over today and tomorrow is going to be basically to immerse ourselves in what makes a memoir. Memoir might be new to a lot of us, so we really want to try to understand what the characteristics and elements of memoir are. So before you begin today, you're going to be reading a short story, a short memoir called 11 by Sandra Cisneros. And before you begin reading that, there are a few elements of memoir that I just wanted to share with you right now. So the first one is that memoirs are written in first person because they are written by an author about something in their life, which brings me to my next point that a memoir is based on real life factual events. So an author writes a memoir based on something that really happened to them in their life. And then lastly, a memoir focuses on the relationship between the writer and a particular time in their life. So there's a picture there. I'll zoom in a little bit. There's a picture of a baby there. So maybe they're thinking back to a time when they were younger or a time in their life that was important to them. They might focus on a particular place. So I have a picture of a house here. Maybe they want to, zoom in on a time in their life where they lived in a certain place or they visited a certain place that was really special to them. They might also focus on a person that's really special to them, or even maybe an animal that's really special to them. Or they might even focus on an object that's really special to them too, their relationship between themselves and a particular object. And then going off of that, memoirs through this relationship between the writer and a particular time, place, person, animal, or object, they reveal the feelings that they had throughout that experience. And they also illustrate what they have learned through this experience. So the picture that I tried to draw here was a little budding flower, and then towards the end you can see that it's a bloomed flower. So they learned something throughout this experience, and that's why they're choosing to write about it. So what you're going to do today is you're going to read a memoir, like I said, called 11. And what I want you to try to do is think about other characteristics that you're noticing besides the ones that I'm showing you here. So tomorrow, at the end of the day tomorrow, once you've taken a look at both memoirs, you're also going to read one called Quietly Struggling tomorrow. I'm going to reveal some more aspects and characteristics of what make a memoir. All right, so enjoy. 11 is an excellent memoir. I'm excited that you're going to get an opportunity to read it. And after you're done, you'll take a look at the notebook document and you'll just take some notes on other characteristics that you're noticing as you're reading memoir. All right, have fun.